Kladio is an innovative concept that takes advantage of where the world is right now. So right now, learning, especially in business school, in the world of business, in business learning, the concept of experiential learning is becoming rapidly very important and very significant. We'll be together with a lot of other schools, but we, I think, have an advantage of being nimble and out in front, whereas other much larger, more established schools have harder time to keep up, I think. Well, first of all, the future is AI. It's becoming very clear that you need to know how to work with generative AI going forward. The experiential learning part we discussed in the launch, you learn by doing things and by experiencing things and not just simply listening to books or listening to your faculty and your professors talk in class. I think the best word to describe Kladio is innovation. So it encompasses everything that's new, and I think that if you don't innovate, no matter what your field, whether it's education or anything else, that you're not going to be successful for very long. So I think that's definitely the best word for it.